What's up, divas? Welcome back to our channel. So this is February and we are back with another unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag. And I have Diva Doll back with me again. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Simply Carrie, and this is my co-host Diva Doll, and she will be helping me to unbag our February issue of the Ipsy Glam bag. So before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming unboxings and unbaggings from this channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and see what we have. Let's open it up. Oh. Ooh, yeah, pull that apart, Diva. Come on, rip it apart.
Yeah.
Did I mess up my nail trying to rip that apart?
Yes.
I think I did. Let me just make a guess, okay? Because it's February, I'm expecting all sorts of Valentine's Day lipsticks and makeup, and I'm even expecting a plastic bag with hearts on it or something like that.
No, it's
so
not
what are we getting? It's orange.
Yes.
It's orange. But actually, you know what? Orange and pink is kind of cute. What do you think?
Yeah, it has lips.
They totally threw me because I was expecting a plastic bag with hearts on it. Look at the back. It is sealed with a kiss. Wait, hold on a second. Before you get all excited, Diva is always so excited about this. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. What is this?
Yes.
We have a brush. So before we even get into anything, let's do this. We are going, they always give us a flyer, so let's take a look and see what this month's theme is. Wait, we're gonna do it. Okay, so it says here to celebrate Black History Month. Oh, that is really interesting. I was thinking Valentine's Day, and they're actually thinking of Black History Month. And yes, this is Black History Month. Awesome. By Black. Okay, here it is. Send love. By Black and sends love. Incredible payoff, innovative formulas, inclusive shades, inspiring founders. It is ipsy.com/black-owned brands. Pat McGrath Labs, Minted Cosmetics, Beauty Stat. I'm not sure if this is Oma or Oma, forgive me for that. Oma Beauty, and Mistro Beauty. Okay, so the first thing that we have is, here, you hold it up. It is NARS. This is the NARS Cosmetics Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman. Oh, very nice. Now you've already put lipstick on, but here, we could put a little on top. I think I like that color. Now just, yeah, there we go. Okay, I like that color. What? Oh, we went a little too far with that. So it's a liquid lipstick. I like this. And the shade looks like it's pretty good, although you have smeared it all over your lips. Wait a minute, let's not smear too bad. Oh, we've already showed this one. This is the Farah, the F-A-R-A-H, Farah Eye Contour Brush 635E. So it's an eye contour brush, and this lightweight, and it definitely is lightweight, easy to use makeup brush, has fluffy bristles that are perfectly designed for blending and buffing. The next product that we have is Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. Oh, so we do have an eyeshadow that we can use with our eye contour brush. This is the Rose Gold and Ivory. How about we do it on your eye? So,
I want to do this one.
Okay, well, we'll do a little of both. How about that? Okay, keep your eye closed. Goes on pretty light.
I just see it.
Yeah, go ahead and open your eye. Yeah, I can't really see it that well. Okay, now here, close your eye. Close your eye again. Oh. I don't really see it all that well. What do you think? You see it? Well, let me dig a little deeper. Okay, what do you think? I don't see it. I mean, I feel that your complexion might be a little bit lighter than mine. I'm not really sure.
Let's try on yours.
Let me try.
No, yours works.
Do you see anything?
Yeah.
I don't.
Put sparkly.
I see nothing.
Put sparkly on.
Put the shimmery on.
Yes.
No, I'm not feeling this.
I can see it.
It's very light. Well, yeah, okay, I do see it a little bit. I think this would probably be good if maybe you're going to work and you don't want, too much going on the eyes. Then this would probably be just fine. But
Kind of sparkly.
I don't know about this one, but it's nice. I think what I'll do is I'll try it out for work. No, I think I actually do see something. I have no eyeshadow on right now, so there is a hint of color. So I think that this is really something that would be great if you were going to work. It's not overly dramatic or anything like that. This is the Cheyenne B Miami Blush in Brickle. So is this a Miami brand? So this is a blush. Shade looks pretty nice. This is interesting. And Cheyenne B Miami. And this, what is it? Brickle. Okay. All right, so what is this? Are there two of them? It's the vegan approved Centella repairing mask. I almost feel like I need a repairing mask right now.
Me too.
What do you need to repair?
My makeup.
I agree. You need to repair that lipstick. You're not in here. You're not in here. So there are a lot of Oriental style letters. I have no idea what this is. Huang Jisoo, is that what that is? Solution for sensitive and dry skin, mild irritation, skin breakouts. Yes, I have been getting breakouts lately, so this may actually be the thing for me. Have you been getting breakouts?
Yeah.
Where? I see it, it's all over the place. It just broken all out. Dermatologically tested, EWG verified, naturally derived 99.6%. Why do I feel like this is a Korean brand? Because I've been noticing that there's been a lot of Korean brand products lately. So I have a feeling that this might be something Korean brand. I really don't know, but there are two of them. This is the Shea Butter Nourishing Mask. Okay, solution for extremely dry skin, oil moisture imbalance, and uneven skin texture. Okay, so we've got two masks that I am definitely willing to try. We have our blush. Our eyeshadow, and our eyeshadow contour brush. Lipstick by NARS. Our two face masks to repair our skin. And we have our orange
I already showed that one.
bag. Okay guys, so that's it for us. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, if you want to see more content like unbaggings and unboxings, I will be back again with another unboxing this month. Okay, Diva Doll is in and out, but just say bye.
Bye.
We will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe. Definitely don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you